back to my channel. If you are new here, welcome. If you're an oldie, welcome back, guys. Today we are doing a makeup tutorial on this look. I wanted to do something different with a pop of color and a little bit of a darker tone, so I hope you guys enjoy. But without further ado, let's just go ahead and get into the video. All right, guys, so what I did on my right eye is I went in with my Morphe 3502 palette, and I went in with a few shades here. So I went in with these two, but they were giving me more of a burgundy undertone. So then I go in with this darker, almost like a charcoal color, to darken the crease. The top are really harsh, so I'm going with my Warrior palette, and I'm going in with the shade Ahosi to use as a transition at the top of my lid to try to soften that. Blending takes a while, so definitely do not get discouraged if it takes you a while. Y'all don't mind my nails, they're coming off. So I wanted to do this dark and then pop it with color in the middle. So I'm going in with my Warrior 3 palette, and I'm going to be using the Gola and the Congo as the color. Whenever I use color, I want to make sure I do the blot method. That way the color and the pigment can show. Next, I'm going to go in with the Congo from that palette. And because it has that shimmer or glitter pigment, I'm going to apply my NYX glitter glue to help the shadow pop and hold the eyeshadow. So that's a little trick I learned, and I always use it now. So can't say I never told you nothing. So let's go ahead and with that. Okay, so that's it for the most part. I'm going to go off camera and do my eyes, and we're going to come back and complete the face. Guys, if you made it this far, don't forget to thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't already, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss an upload, guys. And as always, stay true and stay you, and I'll see you guys in the next video.